Hi guys, so thanks for watching my previous video and thanks for subscribing my channel. So uh, for all the viewer who have subscribed my channel, I would like to thank you again. For the viewer who haven't subscribed my channel till now, I would request you to please subscribe my channel. So this video is regarding that one I would say big question, that what to do if you get selected in an interview and if you get an offer from a good company. For me it was an Accenture. So what you should do, when I joined IBM, I just accepted the offer and I did not give any interview. So what happened on a joining date, when I talked to the peoples, I able to understand that, hey, once you get any offer, you should not stop. You should try to get multiple offer. This has been trend now for the IT peoples. So at first time I haven't done that, but this time what happened? I After giving an interview in Accenture, there was some COVID situation. When I got selected, I got offer letter from them, and they are providing me a joining date also. So everything was fixed. Then I got call from others company like Capgemini, TCS, CTS, Infosys. Okay. So I continued the interview. The interview link you will get in description, that what were the question it was asked in those company. Regarding Accenture, I have provided a details video in a series. Those link also you will get below. So regarding how my interview was scheduled, what were there in first round, what were the question asked in the second round, what were the question asked in the third round, or the HR round, then the Accenture documentation process and the offer letter. So all five video I have uploaded till now. So all those details you will get in the description. Regarding this video is regarding that once you accept an offer and you get another offer, what to do. What I did, I sent a mail to my POC. I can show you the mail also, like this. So I've sent it this kind of mail, where I describe, okay, where I've given a proper reason, like what I said, that, hey, dear Vara was my POC for Accenture, so he is an Accenture guy. Okay, dear Vara, thank you so much to offer me a position of application developer team lead to join Accenture. I am grateful to you. Then I given a reason that unfortunately, after careful consideration, I have declined. I have decided that I must decline your offer. My circumstance is that I was not able to join the Accenture. So I have said that I am declining the offer, and then I have given a proper reason that, hey, why I am declining, because this is very important. Since they have they have wasted a lot of time, or not say wasted, they have invested a lot of time, and you have told them that I will be joining your company. And then if you declining their offer, you should give a proper reason. So the reason which I gave here, it was a very genuine one, because since you all know the second pandemic had arisen. So even after, it might be that after the end of this year, Accenture might told us to come back there, or if we if we get assigned to any ODC project, then also I might go there. Okay. So it's better to be here. That's why I have declined the offer, and I have given a proper reason that why I am declining the offer. So I have said this. I have sent this mail to the POC. Then again, something, or other used to come from the Accenture. Like I did not got any call from the Accenture HRs. After declining their offer, but but I used to get a onboarding gear. Okay, like this, like your onboarding, like you will be starting your this, you have to submit each and every detail by this. So since I have sent it the mail before this, so I did not do any further step. Okay, I did not do any further step, and then after some time I got a call from the HR that hey, uh, today is 25th and you have to submit all your document, all your details to this website. So I told them, I explained them, yes sir, I am very sorry to inform you that I have declined the offer and I have sent it the mail to my POC few days back. So since I took the step in advance, and so the HR did not did anything. I mean, he did not said anything, and he said okay, thank you. Then again after 2 days, again I got a call from the HR. I would say the onboarding HR. So they again said that hey Firdaus, your onboarding process will start very soon. So I mean, so you are joining on 21st of May. I again said the same answer to the next guy that hey, I have sent my offer decline mail to my POC few days back. Okay, so I am not joining. So and therefore I am not doing any onboarding process. So please, since I have declined the process, so I will be not joining the Accenture. So, after this mail, I did not got any threaten or anything or any other mail from the Accenture that hey, you have declined the offer, so we will blacklist you. So those kind of thing doesn't happen. And secondly, I pick up each and every call which came from the Accenture and replied to them over the mail also. So since I done each and everything accordingly, and I have given a proper reason. So mean I did not got any harsh word. I did not heard any harsh word. People used to say that hey, if you decline an offer after accepting that they will blacklist you, they will say this and that, but they did not did anything because since Accenture is a very renowned company, their policies are very good, and I was also trying to join there. Therefore, I have given an option that hey, if you can give me a Kolkata location, then I might join there. I cannot go from Kolkata. So since I know that there might not be any location or any vacancy for Kolkata location, therefore they did not call me further and they accepted my decline offer. Okay, so I would say I have declined their offer, and I'm happy because I got an offer from TCS. Their salary was almost similar to what I was getting from Accenture. I would say some more than what I was getting from Accenture. But only bad thing is that I did not got any joining bonus from TCS. So I think TCS should uh, improve this thing. They should provide some joining bonus because I was joining early there, uh, within 1 month. Third thing, I was very happy with the onboarding process. During this pandemic also the Accenture guys are doing very well. If they had provided me a location in Kolkata, then I would preferred Accenture over the TCS. So it's better next time. So someday or other, and one good thing, I don't think they have blacklisted me because